spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts and libraries and train rooms. You will find links to more information about each of the following products in the video description. This week's episode is brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Isotip Tools. The fine folks at Isotip sent me a Model 8000 Power Pro Advanced Cordless Soldering Iron Kit. To use it, simply turn the knob from lock to use, press the button, count to 10, and the unit can provide up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit to your solder joint. And the unit's lithium iron phosphate battery can fully recharge in about 3 hours. Best of all, it cannot overcharge, so just leave it in the charger and it's ready when you are, whether on the workbench or under the layout. You never need to worry about the nearest electric outlet. The kit comes complete with the charger and 2 tips, a high-efficiency chisel tip and a high-efficiency fine tip. A wide variety of other tips are available from Isotip as well. The included tips will take care of the vast majority of soldering projects on my workbench, so I can retire my conventional corded soldering iron. Experience the freedom of cordless rechargeable soldering with the Isotip Model 8000 Power Pro Advanced Soldering Kit. Follow the links in the video description to get yours today. Kalmbach Publishing has announced the release of The Railway Photography of Phil Hastings. Collated by Tony Reeve, this hardcover features 140 full-page black and white photographs from throughout Hastings' career and includes an introduction that explores his life and work, including his relationships with noted author and editor David P. Morgan and photographer Jim Shaughnessy. The railroad photography of Phil Hastings represents a major contribution to the historical record of the life and work of this remarkable photographer, whose images shaped how we perceive and experience railroads throughout North America. See the video description for more information. Menards has announced the new Jack's Lighted Christmas Box Car, featuring Jack the German Shepherd graphics and a blinking LED red nose. The festive boxcars retail for $29.99 each, or $99.96 for a 4-pack before rebates. MTH Electric Trains has released an exclusive RailKing O-Scale Western New York and Pennsylvania Alco C630 diesel locomotive for exclusive distribution by MTH retailer Easy Catch. The locomotive is now in stock in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis with a retail price of $399.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an uncatalogued production of the RailKing O-Scale Alco RSD5 diesel in nickel plate livery for exclusive distribution by MTH retailer Stockyard Express. The model is available now for $359.95 plus freight. MTH has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued RailKing O-Scale Switch Tower in Pennsylvania Reading Seashore livery for retailer Holly Branch Train Depot in Wildwood, New Jersey. The tower will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in December 2023. The early order price is $79.95 by credit card or $70 by cash or check. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2023 RailKing O-Gauge 40-foot stock car in 6 unique liveries: Milwaukee Road, Pennsylvania, Santa Fe, Southern, Chicago Northwestern, and Canadian National, available this winter. Each of these offerings is limited in production and is expected to begin shipping to MTH dealers in January 2024. The cars will retail for $64.95 each. MTH has announced an exclusive RailKing O-Scale Wheeling and Lake Erie 060 Imperial Line USRA steam switcher for retailer Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers with very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis, with anticipated arrival of November 2023. The early order price is $469.99 plus freight. And MTH has announced an exclusive RailKing O-Scale Burlington 060 Imperial USRA steam switcher for exclusive distribution by Berwyn's Toy Trains. The locomotive will be available in very limited quantities with anticipated arrival of November 2023. The early order price is $479.99 plus freight. And as long summer days turn to cool fall evenings, why not indulge yourself in one of these informative railroad history books available on Kindle? There's something for everyone in these and other great railroad titles. And finally, don't forget to check out the Model 8000 Pro Power soldering iron from our friends at Isotip, the perfect soldering tool for your workbench. And remember that this channel does receive a small commission from qualifying purchases generated from these links, so you get the product you want and you support our channel at the same time. That's all for this week. A programming note, our regularly scheduled Saturday long-form video will not be posted this week, but we will return with new product announcements on Tuesday, September 5th. Thanks for watching.